And now the Artemis launch.
Outstanding, Stan. We see the same, and we have a beautiful moonrise. We're headed right at it.
Well, for the first time since 1972, NASA launches astronauts to the moon. They will orbit it for 10 days, looking back at us. They won't be walking on the moon this time. In a late briefing tonight, the NASA administrator said there was a temporary loss of communications earlier, now restored, and that the astronauts are in great spirits after liftoff on a beautiful Florida evening.
Godspeed, Artemis II. Let's go.
Heading back to the moon.
3, 2, 1. Booster ignition.
Artemis II, the first crewed mission of NASA's Artemis campaign, is sending 4 astronauts on a trip around the moon. Commander Reed Wiseman, pilot Victor Glover, mission specialist Christina Cook, and mission specialist Jeremy Hansen of the Canadian Space Agency.
This is an exciting time, and it is going to truly test our mettle.
I'm so grateful to those that paved the way for me to be here and for all of us to be here, and it's an honor to potentially inspire the explorers of the future.
It's the first time since 1972 that humans are going to deep space.
We are in a space race. If human beings are going to endure, we have to find another planet to live on. The moon is the first step.
Powered by NASA's new SLS, or Space Launch System heavy rocket, the Orion spacecraft launches into Earth's orbit.
That thing is 322 feet high, and 300 feet of it, thereabout, is all propulsion. So we're literally brute forcing our way into orbit.
Orion will then make a roughly 4-day, 250,000-mile journey to the moon, passing by its far side. At a distance between 4,000 and 6,000 miles above the lunar surface, it is expected to be the farthest any human has ever traveled in space. Orion then returns to Earth for splashdown off the United States west coast.
The golden age of space exploration, there's so many amazing things happening, and we should be proud, all of us.
At Kennedy Space Center, Michael Yoshida, the WHAS 11 Night Team.
And the last launch to the moon was Apollo 17 in 1972. That was back in the day when 26 million viewers crowded around their TV sets to watch Walter Cronkite cover the space trip. If everything is operating properly, Orion will be instructed tomorrow to send the crew and spacecraft along their path, circling the moon.